If you're still waking up with messy hair, you're doing it all wrong. With this simple routine, I never wake up with messy hair. I'm gonna go ahead and take the roller and we're gonna roll the hair around like this and then roll it right on up, really tight. Just keep it nice and tight and then take the hooks and attach. Okay, it should look just like this. Take your hairspray. If I have this area like melted down or anything like that, you want to take the edge band and then you just tie your hair up right on around. And this is going to protect your style at night. Do something with it. I'm gonna spray this all around the hair.